In the world of radio, there's a huge question floating around. Is artificial intelligence here to be a co-pilot or a replacement? Well, today, we're going to tune into the future and figure that out.
You know this scene, right? For decades, it's been the heart of radio. A human voice, maybe a stack of records and a live, real connection with the community. It's always been about personality. It's been about authenticity.
But now, with AI announcers and super smart automation becoming a real thing, a lot of people in the industry are getting nervous. Are the robots coming for their jobs? Well, as we're about to see, the real story here is way more about evolution than it is about extinction.
So how did we even get here? To really get a handle on where radio is going with AI, we first have to take a quick look back at just how far it's already come.
Think about it. Radio has never, ever stood still. We went from the totally manual, analog days of vinyl and tape to the first clunky digital playout systems. Then everything moved to the cloud. Each step of the way brought new tools that changed the job. So this AI revolution we're seeing, it's not some crazy thing out of left field. It's just the next logical step on that journey.
And here's the interesting thing. For a lot of radio stations, the biggest threat wasn't something new from the outside. Nope, it was the inefficiency on the inside. You know, all those slow, manual, old-school ways of doing things that were just holding talented people back.
Okay, so let's dive into the newsroom first. This is a perfect place to see AI acting as this incredible assistant, one that frees up journalists to do what they actually got into the business for, reporting.
So instead of a journalist spending hours just rewriting wire copy or reading the same weather forecast over and over, AI can handle that grunt work. It can scan all the news sources, draft up initial scripts in the station's unique style, and even voice the standard stuff like traffic updates using these amazing, natural-sounding voices. See? It's not about replacing the reporter. It's about automating all that repetitive stuff.
And the results? They're huge. Stations that are using these kinds of integrated AI tools are reporting a 30 to 40% drop in the news department's routine workload. And that is not leading to smaller newsrooms. It's leading to smarter ones, where all that saved time is going into real, original, local reporting.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about music, because we're seeing the exact same idea at play here. AI isn't trying to take over the art of radio, it's here to supercharge the science behind it.
And believe me, this is way more than just a glorified shuffle button. We're talking about AI that actually understands the mood of the music and what the listener wants to hear. It can build you this high-energy playlist for the morning commute and then smoothly shift to something more chill for the afternoon, all without ever sounding repetitive.
This is the perfect example of AI as a co-pilot. A human music director, they've got amazing instincts, right? That gut feeling. But an AI can analyze hundreds of data points for every single song. We're talking key, tempo, energy, even its emotional vibe, to build these perfect transitions that just keep you listening. It's an unbelievably powerful tool for anyone curating music.
Okay, so AI's impact isn't just about what you hear on the air. It's also totally transforming the stuff that happens behind the scenes, the business operations that actually keep the lights on. Just look at this breakdown. On the left, you've got the old school way of handling ads. It's slow, there are tons of errors, it's just a headache. But on the right, you had the AI-powered approach. Schedules are optimized on the fly, everything is digital, and the billing happens in real time. It's a complete makeover for the back office.
And the bottom line, what does all this actually mean? Well, this kind of automation can cut the time it takes to get from running an ad to sending the invoice by 50 to 70%. That's a massive, massive gain that goes straight to a station's cash flow.
So after looking at the newsroom, music programming, and the business side of things, a really clear picture starts to form, right? This technology isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them. It's about amplifying what they do best.
This quote right here, it just nails it. The whole goal isn't to create robot radio, it's to let the machines handle the machine work, the scheduling, the data crunching, the paperwork, so that the humans can double down on the human work.
And this is what that actually looks like. When AI handles the routine stuff, your hosts can focus on making real connections with listeners. Your reporters can go out and chase down original stories. Your programmers can focus on that big-picture creative vision that gives a station its soul. Basically, AI handles the science so humans can master the art.
So by embracing AI not as a threat, but as a seriously powerful co-pilot, the future of radio isn't just going to be more efficient. It's set to be more creative, more local, and honestly, more human than ever before. So the real question isn't what jobs AI will take, but what incredible new things it's going to help us create.